And the Director of Public Prosecutions, Paula Llewellyn, says she will not offer a comment on the matter until next week's Privy Council's ruling. Speaking today on the morning agenda on Power 106, Ms. Llewellyn reiterated that the prosecution did its best with the material that was available.
Well, I have nothing to say because as part of the team, I did get the email and they certainly indicated the need for discretion. So I really have no comment to make that, but I can confirm that I was in receipt of that email which shared that.
Will you be going back to the UK for that?
No, you can just live stream.
All right.
And pick that up.